Morning people, it's Ted from the Devils in the Detail. Thought I'd show the results on the Aston Martin that I've been working on. I'll explain it as we go round. So here we go. We had some bad staining in the boot lid. So I've repolished the boot lid and that looks nice and squeaky clean. Got rid of some of the stains, you know, a little bit of bird residue and things like that from most of the panels, to be fair, the roof especially. Then we get to the front. The front end really was peppered with dead flies and a lot of chips. You can still see there are a few chips, but I have touched in some of the main ones and then repolished everything, including the grille, because the flies and the blood residue was all over the grille. The front of the bonnet was quite bad. So both sides of that have been redone, and then had a two-stage polish really once I'd ground the flies out. As I have the headlights, they've been repolished, and the front ends of the wings. I have done some little polishing further back on the wing, as there was some strange marks, but you know, here's one, look, still one embedded in there, but it was only in really for the bumper really. If I start doing this, you know, then I'm going to have to do the whole of the wing. And to be honest, with the Gtechniq product on it, I didn't want to start polishing through all the Gtechniq product that we're leaving on. This literally was just in for a little tidy up. It had its wash, as you've seen, and decided to do a little bit more. This door, the dealership had done and left loads of damage in it, and really, I don't know whether I could capture this. There's still a couple of pigtails from the DA sander in there, but I don't know how much they've worked it. I'd already worked this door to get it flat before, so I'm not taking any chances in breaking through, but I have removed loads, you know, 90%, and got it polished so it matches the surrounding panels. Little bits around the car and the pillars have been done. I think I showed you the backs of the mirrors. They've been done. Really, it was a bit of a spa day, come a few extras, but the car was then, once I completed it, I've coated the car in liquid crystal Gtechniq version 2, which I keep really for the cars that have got PPF on, but you know, it does bring a lovely shine. And as you can see, you know, although we can go around and find loads of faults, you know, with flies attached in the paint, you know, this was done 2.5 years ago. It won 3 concourses after I did it. The owner actually brought me a picture from the first concourse and hung it on my wall as a thank you. which was really nice and appreciated. And I think Anna has looked after it really well, considering really this is the sort of car you'd normally want to PPF the whole thing. It is soft, it is sticky, and it's a nightmare to work on. Professional detailers that look at my channel, they will understand what I'm on about. Most people don't really understand the difference in paints, but some do give us a bit more trouble than others. But the car's going to go away now till next year, and I think you'll agree it looks $1 million again. The owner's been and had a look at it, and he's chuffed, so that's good enough. Really, it's had like a day and a half's worth of work to bring it back to this, so it hasn't been extensive in any way, but it doesn't need it. You know, they use this car, they go on long road trips and Aston Martin Club events, so I think it's fared very well. It's a car I was very, very pleased with when it was done. And that's about all I can say really. The finished job, it's been taken this afternoon and be put away for the winter. So there you go, that's a finished product. I will mention this, these rear lights on Aston Martins are prone for leakage. They fill up with water. Well, Mike, who owns the car, found this company that are taking these lamps, they're stripping them, and they put a membrane inside so that the water can't get in. They rebuild them and build them with sequential lights in them. So I haven't got the keys, so I can't show you, but the lights indicators are sequential. And they look really nice when they're working. But there was 1,500 quid for the pair, but you know, they don't get no water in no more. So if anybody watching this is interested in any lights like this, if you contact me, I'll get the address and the number for the company that he bought them from. But they do look really good when they're operating. You know, you see the new cars coming out now with sequential lights, and you know, this has got them now, so he's really chuffed. So there you go. I can't really show you any more than I have, and I'll be getting back onto this one. I'm going to decided I'm going to remove the mirrors. I've used a Dremel to actually grind down, but you know, they do look like they're going down here as well, so I'm going to remove the mirrors, remove the wiper linkage, and that'll be my next job. I've removed the PPF, as I said the other day, and then I'm going to give it a light polish and get it nice for David when he returns from his honeymoon. So there we have it. Once that's done, we'll get back on this, try and get that done and finished. Keep Jonas happy. But it's not far off now. Okay then, see you on the next one, and thanks to everybody who watches the videos. Keep it up. Anything you want to see, let me know. Thank you.